Right. Um, here we are again. Okay. So um, we're gonna simplify again statistics using Excel. Okay. So we're here to carry out a hypothesis test for a mean or average. Okay. So we have here sample data. Okay. And for example, a, a supplier or a population mean. Okay, let's say it's a measure again of volts. Okay, it's 12 meters. Okay, and we have here a lot of sample data. Okay, let's test here if the sample data from the there's a sample random sampling from the plant. Let's say the measure are different volts. Okay, so the population mean must be 12. Okay, so let's check if the and if it's not equal, okay, let's write it here. Okay, so mean is equals to 12. Okay, this is the HO. This is the null hypothesis, and then the H1 will be mean is not equal to 12. Okay, so let's compute. Okay, so from out of the data here, okay, we would compute for the sample mean. Okay, just have to use average. Okay, then for average is 11.851, and the standard deviation, okay, is ED, that S because this is sample. Okay, sample is standard deviation is 0.5118, and then the what do you call this? Um, the population. Let's count sample, sample or N. Count, then this one. Okay, it's 100. Okay, let's use this computation here. Okay, this is the computation. Okay, um, from that, okay, we will get uh, so compute for Z. Okay, so we'll write here compute for Z. Okay, so the Z value is here. It's equals to the sample mean minus the where is 12 minus 12. Okay, okay, just have to write 12. Wait, mean is 12. Okay, so big N for population. Okay, so this one less than this one. Okay, and then over um, standard deviation and the square root of times square root of 100. Okay, so it's negative 2.9. Okay, regardless of negativities or not, is still recognized in the z table as 2.9. Okay, so I'm gonna make this one as yeah. Okay, it's 2.91. So this is the z value 2.91. Okay, so we'll look up for 2.91. So one here. This is the second decimal. Okay, 2.91 second decimal. Second decimal, and then this one 0.482. So the z table is equals to 0.4982. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, so what we're gonna do is from our class activity. Okay, so what's the p-value? Compute for p-value. Okay, so p-value is equals to 0.5. This one. Okay, and then you convert this one as percentage. Okay, so since the value is 0.80, we're here to declare that um, the mean is not equal to 12. Okay, because um, the mean is a decision, right here, decision at 95% confidence level, the mean is not equal to 12. Okay, so that's the decision. Okay, so that's how to compute for the for testing the the hypothesis testing for mean or average. Okay. And I think I already have discussed. No. And then this one here is the Z table, and this is the prevailing computation. Okay, for testing the hypothesis. Okay, and I think that's all. And thank you, and I'll see you again uh, to my next video. Thank you.